nap.
I chose Back Bay Shutter because I had used them at my previous home. I was very impressed with the quality of their work, and their customer service was just superb. One of the windows in the bedroom needed to have basically a curtain. It wasn't going to accommodate a shade very well. Steve was able to come up with a design. They're motorized blackout curtains, basically using the same fabric that we put on the French door in that room, but we did it as a shade with these stripes going the other direction.
And woven by Conrad, which actually has striations of stainless steel in it, so it's absolutely amazing when you, if the lighting's right in the room, you get a glimmer, or in this case a shimmer, which that's what the weave is called, a shimmer off of the drapery. But we brought in the drapery workroom.
I realized that I wanted motorized shades in the library and in the reading room upstairs. I couldn't see my computer in the library, but I didn't want those to be blackout shades, and Steve had sent me some fabric samples that I really liked, but in order for them to be effective, they needed to be lined, and if they were going to be lined, they were going to be too bulky to roll up into the existing soffit. Back Bay was able to find a company that could line them, and they figured out how to make them roll up into the soffit. They filtered it. They didn't make the room too dark, but it eliminated the glare. It's quiet, it's smooth, they're really easy to use.